everybody.
Hi everybody.
My name
Is a Power Ranger.
No.
No, my name Power Ranger Agiyam.
Aaron.
No, a Power Ranger Agiyam.
What else?
Aaron.
Tell them what you learned in school. What? What did you learn in school?
I
Stop
didn't
that.
go in school.
No, but tell them what you learned in school.
I learned doodoo.
You're lying.
I like it.
Huh?
I like it.
Say hi, Auntie Crystal.
Hi, Aunt Crystal.
Say hi, Auntie KK.
Hi, Aunt Kiki.
Say hi, Auntie Candace.
Oh, she's not here.
Yeah, she's in Guam. Say hi, Auntie Candace.
Hi, Auntie Candace.
Say hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody.
I make doo-doo. Ate needs to change me now.
No, Ate don't need to change me.
This is my pull-up.
This is